Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing PicLits. It's a app online that students can apply writing skills by using pictures as a background to a piece of writing. It's a tool that allows students to add creativity to a short piece of writing and enhances the students' vocabulary skills as well as their writing skills. They choose an image as a background and drag and drop words from a word bank or create a freestyle PicLit. The goal is to write a short story, poem, or just have a collage of words that reflects the image in the background. Here's a PicLit that I've created. PicLits is completely free and all you need is an email address. They also have a page for teachers to give them resources on how to apply PicLits in the classroom. The target audience ranges from elementary age students all the way up to high school students. They have 3 options when it comes to sharing their PicLits projects. The first one is emailing the link to their PicLits page to the teacher. The second one would be sharing their link on a social media site, and the third is taking a screenshot of the PicLit and saving it as an image. I would not recommend using the screenshot way of turning it in with anyone younger than probably like 5th grade. It's just a little bit difficult to explain the whole screenshot process to younger kids. So you can apply PicLits in all 4 of the main subject areas. You could apply it in really any subject that you'd want to. Language arts has the most ways that you could probably apply it. They can create various styles of poems using PicLits. They can also write short stories with an image relating to their story as a background. They can also practice using imagery skills by choosing an image and then choosing descriptive words that relate to the image chosen. Students can also practice vocabulary with PicLits by choosing an image relating to the vocabulary unit you guys are on, and then they can create a word collage with those vocabulary words. In a social studies classroom, students can go ahead and make a collage of the vocabulary words learned in class, and then a geography course, students can choose the type of land, such as a plateau or a mountain, or a part of the world, such as like Africa or one of the other continents, Europe, Asia, and they could write a short story about it, or they could write a poem, or just make a collage in relation to their subject. In a science classroom, students can again practice vocabulary by creating a collage. Students can also represent their scientific method steps in a creative way. They can choose an image in relation to their project and then write down their steps. In a math class, it can be used for vocabulary practice in the classroom, again, by making a collage. Students can also use PicLits for practicing writing word problems. Writing out the word problems on a selected background image can reinforce their understanding of how to solve word problems. Accessing PicLits is really easy. You can just use Google or Google Chrome. Those are the best browsers. They fit best with it. And all you need is an email address. It is not compatible with mobile devices. It's extremely self-explanatory to use as far as a teacher standpoint. There's a frequently asked questions page that explains everything in detail, and it also has a section for teachers that provides ways to apply PicLits in your lesson plans. There are 3 cautions. One is it's just kind of complicated to use for really young students. So I would say from kindergarten to probably 2nd or 3rd grade, I would just do, if you were going to use this, I would do a PicLit for the entire class. It allows ads that are not necessarily classroom friendly, so make sure you warn your students about that. And then also, PicLit is not listed under a certain user, therefore, when using it as an assignment, your students would need to list their name at the bottom of their PicLit. So my name is Alexa Orman. The tool I'm reviewing is called PicLits, and I use Screenomatic, not Screencastify, to record this video. I got all of the information on PicLits from the frequently asked questions page on the PicLits website, which we are going to go to right now. Okay, so we are going to create a PicLit, and I'm going to look through these images really quickly and choose one. So I'm going to choose an ocean wave just because I really like the ocean. And I'm just going to go ahead and use imagery and use some descriptive words to describe what I think of when I think of the ocean. So I think of bold. I think of brutal. Impressive. Mysterious. Intimidating, and Let's go with blue. Okay, so I'm going to kind of make a collage of words, which I can move these around in any way that I want. Right, so there's my collage. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to email my PicLit, and I'm just going to go ahead and email it to myself. And let me put in my school email here. And then here in the subject line, you could have your student put like their first and last name to identify who it's from. And then I'm going to go ahead and pretend like I'm submitting this as a project, and I'm going to say Ocean Unit Collage. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and click send. And that's pretty much it on how to submit yours via email. And then the other ways you can submit it, it's pretty much the same thing. It's just submitting the link, and you sign into either Facebook, Twitter, so Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, and you can share your link. And then also you can go ahead and do the screenshot version, which is just taking a screenshot and saving it as a picture. But yep, it's pretty easy to use PicLit, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really think this is a great tool, and I think it should be used a little bit more in the classroom. Thank you.